Hello children, let's learn some colors. Orange color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, red color. Let's draw some shapes. Black color, square, square, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, star, star, heart, heart, pentagon, pentagon, black color, square, red color, circle, orange color, triangle, yellow color, star, green color, heart, forest green color, pentagon, black color, square, red color, circle, orange color, triangle, yellow color, star, light green color, heart, forest green color, pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.